make somebody love you without affecting free will?
Welcome to my world, son. If you come up with an answer to that one, you let me know.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you.
You can't see me right now, but I totally demolished that meal and didn't even show y'all. Like, it was chicken, bell peppers, cabbage, onions, carrots, broth, chicken broth, white rice, chicken. And it busted, and I didn't even show y'all. So I'll show y'all tomorrow at my next dinner. Alright, I'll stop being weird. Hey guys, can you see me? Is it clear? Okay, my camera be tripping off sometimes, so I gotta make sure. But it's the next day. I can finally show y'all the dinner. It's very hard because it's like when you cooking, you can't go back and forth touching different things, touching the camera, stopping to record, stopping to turn it off, stopping to change batteries. Like you just can't. It's just not sanitary. So I couldn't really show y'all everything, but I just want to show y'all the final product. It's not amazing. I'm just showing y'all. It doesn't look amazing. It looks kind of nasty actually, but it's just like chicken and chicken broth, and bell peppers and cabbage and carrot, bouillon, a side of rice. Some people would take the rice and eat it in the bowl with the food, but y'all know me, I gotta be different. I like to eat my rice as its own thing. Like I like to put butter and salt in it and just like tear it up. Like y'all, if getting fat off of eating like lots of carbs didn't exist, I would be eating white rice all the time, y'all, with loads of butter and salt, which is horrible for you. But y'all, when I was little and I would go over to my cousin's house, when they would make their big dinners, they would always have this, like, was it a hot pot, crock pot? I don't know. No, not rice cooker. I don't know. They would have this big pot always full of rice, and I would tear it up, y'all. And I would go back and ask my auntie or my uncle. I'd be like, can I get some more? Can I get some more? Can I get some more? Like, I have no idea how much I love white buttered salted rice. It was just, oh my god, it's so good. You know, I did that whenever I could when going over to my cousin's house, because at home, you know, we started eating the healthy brown rice and the black rice, and it's just not the same. Like, I feel like since those rices are more like natural and healthy, they're so thick and just like earthy, and just, I like the bad for you, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, enriched rice. Stuff that's like horrible for your organs and your blood vessels. Like, I love it. Like, it just tastes it tastes so good. I'm sorry, that's why I don't eat it that often, but it is like a, not travesty of mine, it's just like, it's a beloved, fattening, heart-wrenching dish. Like, I love y'all. I love me some white rice and butter and salt. Keep it basic. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I also wanted to talk about how, y'all, it's so crazy. Like, I remember when I would used to upload YouTube videos, I would get like max maybe 40 views, and I would be so happy. So now that my channel is like growing and my videos are getting more and more attention, it's crazy, y'all, because like when I go and check like my videos, like how much views it's gotten after like a day or something, I see 100 is like becoming the like regular level. As subscribers increase, you know, your usual view average is also going to increase. So y'all, it's just crazy to see that my average went from around 40 to around 100. That's like so crazy to me. You know, I know that might not sound like a lot to some people, like, oh, 100, but I mean, if you think about it, y'all, I'm on YouTube, right? My parents don't allow me to have any other social media. No Instagram, no TikTok, no Twitter, whatever else there is, I don't have it. So YouTube is literally like my only source of like any advertising. I can't like promote my videos on any other platform. Like, I'm solely on YouTube. Those who get this on their algorithm get it, and those who don't. Literally the only way I get views or subscribers or anything is through people sharing my videos with other people, or family sharing videos. So it's like, it's crazy. It's crazy that I'm able to get anything, because usually when you're like, you would think just straight up posting on YouTube and not promoting on any other platform, you wouldn't really get much. But I'm lucky to have gotten anything that I've gotten so far. Honestly, I'm grateful to get anything, y'all. I'm great, because I can be getting nothing right now. Like, I could be This is why I'm trying to get out the hood. I could literally be getting nothing right now. So that's just crazy to me to see my average go from 40 views per video to around 100 views per video. And you know, as I keep posting more and more consistently, and as I just keep posting in general, the more the views will come in, the more attention my channel will gain, the more people that might come across my channel and join the family, you know. It's just crazy, y'all. It's just crazy, and it makes me so happy to see that the work that I do pays off in some sort of way. Because it's like, this video and editing stuff, it's not required by anyone. Like, nobody's forcing me with a gun to my head saying, you're gonna film this video, edit it, and post it. Nobody's forcing me to do this. It's all by my choice. So to see that this thing I've taken as a hobby and thing that I've done it for fun and make it a little more serious, to see it actually get some sort of attention. I think in the first place, I wasn't aiming to do this for any like serious reason. Like, I was just making vlogs to make vlogs for fun. Like, y'all, I literally had nothing to do. Like, middle school, I would come home and like watch YouTube or watch other people's vlogs. And you know, I would watch other people's vlogs so much, I would like, well, why not vlog? Why not start my own vlog? You know, it could be fun. Like, I can show people the little things that you just wouldn't normally talk about. So it's like, why not start my own? But yeah, I'm getting sidetracked. Like I was saying, it's just crazy to see this like little hobby I've taken seriously actually get some sort of attention. And that wasn't my intended goal. My intended goal was just to have fun, you know, play around with some memes and music and like just film any and everything of my life and put it together and make something. So to see that get attention, that's cool. I think that's really cool. That's really cool. And you know, I'm grateful. I just want to say I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And that's so crazy, y'all. Now I want to reiterate this. That might not seem like a lot to some, but any amount is a lot. 1 is a lot. 2 is a lot. And guess what? 3 is a lot. So, you know, I'm happy for anything and everything, because you can be getting nothing. I could be getting nothing. So it's cool. It's dope. Like, but yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show you guys my meal. My food probably cold now. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, sometime later. Oh, y'all know what's crazy? This is my last week of school. I think it's like Wednesday, so I only got tomorrow and Friday left, which is crazy. My teacher already sent out summer homework, and I'm starting on it for AP Government and Economics, US Economics. So I'm finna get that out the way before summer break even started, which is hilarious. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when I'm playing games or something cool I want to show y'all or talk to y'all about, and I'll pull the camera out. And yeah, all right, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later.
You got it, bro.
Hey Siri, is Play-Doh made with flour? Play-Doh uses flour and salt and is cooked on a stovetop. I might as well just wait to show y'all when I get to the front, because then you can actually see me taking the braid down. You can't see the back of my head. I don't think that's gonna work. Hey y'all, so I done took down majority of the braids. This is the time where it would make sense to show y'all, because y'all could actually, well, y'all kind of can't see because my hair is so dark, but ooh, y'all know I gotta find my it's this bright light I have. My auntie bought me when I first started vlogging, and I still got it. I just gotta find it. I think it might be in the living room. I don't know, it's somewhere. Taking my hair down, basically. You said I'm so what? Yeah, I gotta be a little, I stop doing that, because I feel like just because you're being honest with somebody doesn't mean that's gonna make them happy. Just because I'm giving it to you straight doesn't mean they're gonna be appreciative of that. So I don't know, I have to change my delivery of my honesty, maybe. At the same time, I kind of don't care, but at least I'm real. I'ma humble you right now. I'ma humble you so much. Bye bye. I'm done taking my braids out, and I'm about to wash this because it stank. Oh no, I'm gonna pre-poo. I'm gonna do a cold wash. Right now I'm gonna comb it with conditioner and water. Now I got my section. I can go in with my Miel mister, get it all nice and wet, and then I'm using a leave-in because I want to do a co-wash, but I don't have the right stuff out. I mean, I know it's some stuff in this apartment for that, but I'm trying to hurry up because not only am I doing a co-wash, but I'm also gonna do a clarifying shampoo before the real shampoo, and then we gonna have a clean head of hair, and then we're gonna have to do some intense conditioning after that because I want my hair to be nice and hydrated and moisturized. Cool, let's start with the back. And usually I don't have to separate the back because I call it my Asian hair, because the hair back there is like, once you get it all wet, it's like it's not as tight and coily, and it's not as nappy like the front of my head. The front of my head got the African roots in the front, but the back is like the Asian part. So let's get that easy part over with. That's easy to comb. Ew, I can feel the gel.
I'm making a change today. The been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Y'all see how easy this is for me to comb? In the front, it's gonna be a different story.
Can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown?
See, now what I'm finna do, take this, braid it, yep, cause we're braiding on up to the east side.
Where we're moving on up to the east side.
Don't improve, man. How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to the wheels on the road, okay? Funny.
I forgot the name of that show. I don't know why I'm thinking of Good Times. Y'all know, with JJ and the mama and the daddy and the sister and the little brother. I think if my hair was raw and it didn't have nothing on it except for cream, this wouldn't have worked. It's been jellified though, so. Y'all, I feel so weird now because look, these are my real nails because I'm not like allowed to wear acrylic, so I'm like, might as well just grow my own out. But one of my nails just broke, and it's so weird seeing like my finger just like I'm used to the length. This is so weird for me. Like, this is a very weird experience. Losing my phone feels weird. Writing feels weird. It looks weird. It looks like a part of my thumb is missing. You know what it remind me of? Have y'all ever watched Spy Kids and it's those big old men in thumb suits? Well, they're not men. They're thumbs. They're like big thumb people, and they're like security guards. This feels so weird. It feels so weird with my nail being gone. I was gonna keep the piece that came off too because it was a big piece. It's no point in keeping a piece of my broke nail, so I just threw it away. R.I.P. y'all. R.I.P. to my nail.
I don't really even know how it happened. I started talking, they started laughing. I don't really even know how it happened. I started watching them photographing. I don't really know how it happened. Instead of stopping, they still were flashing. I started walking, gave no reaction. No reaction. I'm overheating.
Also, I finally got settled. I had to get out, moisturize, and give me something to eat because I was hungry. Oh, I need to chug some water too. Y'all, I was so surprised because I don't know if y'all could tell, but when I was putting on that conditioner, it just didn't seem like moisturizing at all. Like I seemed like I kept having to put more and more and more, especially since my hair is so like dense. But then I was actually surprised because when I was like rinsing it out and stuff, and even now, y'all, my hair is so soft. It turns out, even though I thought it wasn't getting moisturized, it got pretty moisturized. I wonder if like what I do has anything to do with that, because like what I started doing after washing my hair was, you know how usually sometimes you take the towel and like pat it and scrunch it and stuff. I stopped doing that because like once I start on my hair, I want as much moisture as possible so that it's like the least breakage is taking place, if any breakage is taking place. Y'all, isn't this crazy how much our hair shrinks? You would never guess this much can stretch out to what it looked like when I comb it out. All right, I'm gonna start. I'm not gonna put my hair in a style because I have something to go to. I'm just gonna tell y'all because y'all can know I have to go take badge photos for my internship. I'm gonna ask my mom if she could like do my hair in a cute style, because like I can do my hair. I ain't say it was gonna look like no Beyonce type level hairdo, but I can do my hair. So I'm gonna ask her if she could do it. I want my badge photo to be cute. So what I'm finna do is, oh, I'm gonna take this Curl La La by Aunt Jackie's. I'm not doing no wash and go or style like that. I'm just gonna put it in my head, detangle again, and then just like braid it in sections. I need my hair to be easily accessible if I'm getting it done. Like I need it to be easy to take down, wash again, and then, you know, should be easier to detangle, but we gonna see. We finna find out, so let's go.
Trey, OT, OT.
He said I'm about to have these waves go crazy like the Bermuda Triangle. This gonna have to be 2 braids because I cannot fit all this thick hair into 1 braid. I done wrapped it up in the scarf and I'm supposed to be about to go to sleep, but I'm gonna work on some emails. Y'all really need my hair done. Like my picture day for my internship is on next week, the 12th or 13th. And it's June 9th, so I literally have tomorrow and Sunday. Y'all, I really wanted locks this summer, but my mom forgot. Like I've been telling her I want locks for the longest. She just said, "Oh, you should have reminded me." So now I gotta wait longer. I really want locks. Like I love locks. Y'all, like I don't know if y'all saw, but I have some kind of old videos from like the start of my junior year. That was when I got those super ridiculously long locks. They were so beautiful, and the buns they made were just, the buns were bunning. Like, oh my gosh, I'm not doing that again. That was too much hair. It's like, it's cute and all, but that's too much hair. But the reason why I love locks so much is because I think they just look pretty. And when you wash your hair, since the hair is made to be nappy, like the locks are like nappy, so when you wash your roots and your hair, it starts to like blend in with the hairstyle. That's what I love the most, because it's like, that's why I don't really get like individuals, because it's like when your roots start, I hate that look of when your roots start like nappifying and then the braids get fuzzy, but you want to keep the hair in because your hair got done and you paid all this money, so you're keeping this old style in that look fuzzy. I just don't like that. And I sweat a lot, so you know, I wash my hair very often. Like I told you, I wash my hair like almost every week, if not every 2 weeks. That style is just too high maintenance for me. But we ain't finna get that right now. It's too soon.
Ladies on an escalator, going upstairs, so see you later. Bye-bye.